shall uphold our role in building disaster-resilient communities, empowering every learner to become an advocate of preparedness, safety, and sustainable development. As a team, we pledge through DRRM now for a more secure and resilient future.
Maraming salamat po at ngayon naman po para naman po do hereby express my full support to the implementation of DRRM programs and initiatives. I pledge to actively promote disaster preparedness, prevention, mitigation, response and recovery efforts within my workplace and community. I pledge to uphold and promote a culture of readiness, safety and resiliency. Engage in DRRM exercises or drills, training sessions, and capacity building activities. Share knowledge and best practices on disaster risk reduction with others. Support the integration of DRRM principles into daily operations, plans, and initiatives. Work collaboratively with stakeholders to reduce disaster risk and protect lives, property, and environment, and participate responsibly and actively in creating communities that are resilient to disasters. I promise to devote my time, energy, and resources to promoting efficient DRRM for everyone's safety and well-being with commitment and a feeling of shared responsibility. Let's work together to be vigilant, ready, and resilient during emergency. Once again, thank you very much for salamat and out to you and
I'd like to request our STS, Sir Jimmy, samahan niyo po kami dito sa Encantato para sa awarding. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations to our poetry winners. Now let's have the songwriting contest. Dayan Carmen Castro. They are to win 5,000 pesos. Second place, Yuba Kainina. Ayona Mendoza, Anatea, Mitchell Raimundo from Batangas City High School for the odds. They won 7,000 pesos. Our champion from Batangas City High School for the odds to win 10,000 pesos. Arlene Baraka, Ana Ray Teresa Campillo, and Jaika Reza Villan Juan. Congratulations.
Wayne Macho. Fourth place, Uva sa Mingaso Rosolo Integrated School. Gina Gabriel Magbi, Ariel Alain Basanica, Fritz Gabriel Villena, Sarah Joyce Lanunuel. Third place, mula sa Batangas City High School for the Arts, Mateo Amadeus Alvaera, Risha May Bagsi, Raymond May Di Castro, Irish Allen, Antonia Blanpas. Second place, mula sa Balitang National High School, Micah Camilo, Angela Marino, Aaron Mendoza, Frank Jacob Candelaria, Eros Jaden Manya. At first place, mula sa
Awarded to Tao, Kawa, V, and Sigma, Petron Calicanto Chapter.
Raffle. Muli, hawakan, tingnan ang inyong mga numero.
Hawakan ang mga nagpuller. Hawak na ba? Ready? Mamimigay po tayo ng electric fan.
Sir?
Meron tayo mamimigay na 3 TV, 4 na washing machine, at isa inverter rack. Kaya mo ba yan? Kasali tayo lahat.
Hawakan na.
Electric fan. Tanda ka, number 2, ang sa'yo
bumula ng tatlong TV. Tatlo.
Ilang inches po yan? Ang TV natin.
15 inches.
50 kasi nilaki ba naman dun sa office ni Sir Ron?
Ako na! Ang unang tagutin ng ating TV number 181. 181.
Sunod, 3516. Bakit naman ito? 3516. Ang huling number sa TV. 1428.
24. Number 2794. 2794. Bakit naging inverter nito?
Inverter matigit siya. Kailangan mo ay hindi pinapatay.
Yes, okay na sir. Dahil ito pa ay baliktad. At ang nagwagi ng ating inverter ay numero 3183. 3183.
Ay, sige na ulit. Pasigabo, palakpakan.
Walang